Welcome back to another video of the Many Roads to Travel. This really isn't a unboxing in a way, but more of a thank you video to Corey Kruger. If any of you made it out to the Maryland Toy Expo, thanks for coming out. Corey, thank you for coming and bringing me this box. Really appreciate it. So, I'm going to open up the box and show you what Corey gave me. So, and yes, I already pre-cut the box. This is cool. This is actually a knockoff stretch wrestling figure, and you can clearly see the one in the middle is supposed to be Hulk Hogan. I'm not sure who the other two are supposed to be. He doesn't even have a name. So I'm not really sure who this one's supposed to be, but you got one of Hulk Hogan. And these are pretty neat. You basically throw these against the wall and they just like kind of climb down. And then you can get who's in there? Sting, Macho Man, Stone Cold, The Rock, Ultimate Warrior, a bunch of different ones. I'm pretty sure Jensen's going to take this one from me. Then we got Ric Flair's energy drink. This is Woo Energy. Got that one. Oh, $20. Thank you. They're all called Woo Energy. Just looking to see what the flavors were. Yeah. This is dragon fruit, the pink one. It's dragon fruit. This is lemon. And this is strawberry banana.
What's it mean, mushroom blend?
I have no idea.
Because it all says sparkling mushroom elixir. The style and profile and limousine riding, jet flying, kiss stealing, wheeling and dealing, son of a gun. And it's the other ingredients: carbonated water, sugar, natural flavor, potassium, sorbate. Okay, yeah, I'm not gonna say all this. I just wondering where the mushroom came in from.
I have no idea. But they're energy drinks.
It's 150 milligrams of caffeine.
There's coffee in there too?
No, well, caffeine.
So it's a little bit of caffeine. Just a tiny bit. But, of course, save the best for last. Which, this is really awesome. And this is the Hacksaw Jim Duggan Big Rubber Guy. This is actually my very first and only Big Rubber Guy as of now. Which is really cool. I like the fact that they were filling in the gaps of some of the LJNs. Like they made Demolition Smash right there. They redid Sergeant Slaughter because that's how he was originally supposed to look with the original LJN figure. And then, of course, they redid some of the others too, like Andre Giant, Macho Man, the Bulldogs. But yeah, Corey, I can't thank you enough for this and everything else. So thank you. But yeah, that's basically it for this video. This is just more so I said, just me saying thank you and really appreciate it. Until next time, we'll see you later.